If you're anything like me, the ability to control and monitor your PC from anywhere is really useful. This video is all about how to do that with Pulseway and their RMM software, who are the sponsor of this video. So what is Pulseway's RMM? Well, it's a pretty easy to use and simple to install bit of software that lets you control and manage your devices from anywhere. It lets you, especially with their mobile app, which is really the main hit, it lets you see stuff like your CPU and RAM utilization on your PC. Also, it lets you see its public IP address and even stuff like what CPU it has, what motherboard it's using, and even what BIOS version that motherboard is running as well. You can also see how much hard drive space is used and access all of the files that are on your system, and you can also execute terminal commands remotely as well, which can be quite useful if you're trying to set stuff up. It's also got the option to run scripts, which of course you can add your own, but comes with a few built-in ones, which can actually be really useful whether you're sat at the PC or not. They've got stuff like being able to clean up your temporary files or even check and install OS updates. And speaking of OS updates, you can also directly manage those and manually install them through the Windows Updates option, and you can also install them just by severity as well, which is really nice to see. You can also see all of the installed programs and uninstall them if you want to, and you can also use basically all of the power options that you would have if you're at your PC. You can put the PC to sleep and use Wake on WAN to turn it back on again, or of course if you've just gone away for the weekend and forgot to turn your gaming rig off at home, you can use Pulseway to turn it off remotely. Now if you're just a home user, this and their web platform that has all of the same features as their mobile app, including stuff like automating the scripts that I mentioned before for checking OS updates or cleaning your temporary files, all that sort of stuff, that is all completely free for you to use with up to 2 PCs. You can of course upgrade to their team plan if you're more like a sysadmin managing a full company worth of PCs, but that is all there for you. You do actually, if you want to upgrade to that, have a lot of enterprise features including remote desktop built in as well, so certainly something to look into. Now you may be thinking, this all sounds great, but you've only got Windows machines set up there. Does this only work with Windows? Happily, no. They've got agents for both Windows, macOS, and also basically all of the major Linux distros, and they've got apps available for both Android and iOS, so pretty much no matter what device you want to manage from, you can do that with Pulseway. I think what's great about this, especially on their mobile app side of things, is how easy it is to set up and use, and especially if you are an IT tech who has to give access to this sort of stuff to someone who isn't necessarily as well informed in the tech space, it's really pretty easy to show them around and to understand what they can and probably shouldn't do. To actually install an agent, it's really simple. At least on Windows, all you do is install it like you would any other program, and then once it's open, put in your username and password, and then you're pretty much good to go. There is a lot of options that you can customize here to really fit this to how you want to use it. If, for example, you say don't want to be able to turn the PC off remotely, you can turn that off. If you don't want Wake on WAN support, you can turn that off too, so a lot of customizability. One of my personal favorites here is actually the notifications tab. This can give your phone notifications based on a lot of different parameters. I'm talking like 12 tabs worth of parameters. You can use the usual stuff if the system turns off or turns on. You can also, and what I use personally, is the ability to let you know when certain programs are open or closed. That's actually really useful because I run a headless rendering server. It's a Windows PC basically that runs Adobe Media Encoder. It doesn't have a display connected, so unless I remote desktop into it, I never know if anything is actually working until I go to try and copy my files off, and then they're not there. So the ability to have that notification on and to know that Adobe Media Encoder is not running or is running is actually really very useful and means that I can go sort out any problems before I actually need to render something. Pulseway is also adding a load of new features with every update, and so if you want to check out what's new about this update, if you say used a previous version or whatever else, there's a link in the description down below the standard Pulseway link that will take you to the updates and you can see what's new about it. So that's Pulseway. Like I said, if you just want to manage your gaming PC and a NAS or an HTPC kind of thing, then that's completely free for you to use, and you can check them out at the link in the description down below. If you're an enterprise customer or someone who wants to try it out with some extra features and more systems, then you can contact Pulseway and see what solution works for you. But either way, you can check them out in the link in the description down below. And once again, thank you to Pulseway for sponsoring this video. But otherwise, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you when I can. And you can check out some other videos over there as well. that is pretty much it. There's plenty of other links in the description if you want to support the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this one, or of course the upcoming Ryzen 3000 series CPUs, then feel free to hit that subscribe button with the bell notification icon to be notified of the new videos, which currently are a bit of a mixed schedule, but generally come out every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Otherwise, that is pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you all in the next one.